Yes, this is me with another pronunciation tip in Spanish. So listen to me. Have you ever seen this letter in Spanish? I think you have. Well, that letter has 3 different sounds, and I'm gonna tell you what they are today. So watch until the end. I'm going to give you these 3 words as an example. The first way when it comes to pronouncing this is g, as in gato. The second is to pronounce this as as in this word, gente. But sometimes when we find it in the middle of a word, the pronunciation is not as strong. For example, agua, agua. So what words do you know that have this letter, and what is their pronunciation? Is it g? Is it h? Or is it a soft g? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.